Good morning, all of you. Today I am going to tell you all a new and very important ways and tips of English spoken class.
So, is everybody ready to start? I think we can start now.
Okay. Well, let's begin our lesson now. First of all, I would like to say that of the correct fact about English. What is English for us? Actually, in my opinion, the most difficult but the most essential part of our life is English. Actually, nowadays, English is a very useful language for all of us. Do you really want to learn English? Do you really want to be a successful English speaker?
Yes, why not?
I am sure there is nobody in the world who doesn't want to be a successful in English speaking. But real success will come when you change your mindset, when you change yourself, when you change your confidence. So, keep in your mind, even you make mistakes in English when you are speaking, if you speak wrong English, no problem. Please make mistakes, no problem. Don't worry. Make 100 mistakes, make 1,000 mistakes, but please make some mistakes. Otherwise, we cannot speak well. Then you must practice and speak English every day. First is listening to English, but remember listening to good English and listening repeatedly. And second thing I would like to say also, listen every day and store these in your mind by listening again and again. Is listening to good correct English, and the second is listening to the same passage again and again and again. And to learning English speaking well, this you have to do every day, because when you listen your English become better. And this is called as a foundation skill. This is called as a foundation skill. Read also repeatedly, that you learn vocabulary. You learn it fully by heart. I am remembering one thing also at this time. What did Lord Krishna say? That whatever you do, you must do efficiently. So, all of you learn English fully by heart. You make more mistakes when you speak in English, no problem. Because when you learn any new word, you make 100 mistakes and you feel nervous. Actually, you feel a little nervous is very good. That give you a focus and concentrate on your work, but you feel very nervous is very bad. Therefore, remember, the more mistakes will make you one day better. Okay, and I hope that you will speak and practice. Okay, bye, take care.